Empowered greetings and bienvenidos. My name is Lethia Owens, and I'm your personal branding and social media strategist. Today, I'm going to share with you some very simple techniques that you can use to not only show up on the first page of Google. You see, that's not good enough anymore. The key now is to dominate the first page of Google by showing up more than once, and preferably at the top of the page. Some of my clients have utilized these techniques and they've gotten results, and we're going to actually take a look at their results here. Recently, I had the opportunity to share with over 30 dentists in Baltimore the power of using social media to build their business and to grow their practice and to get more visibility within their regional or local area. And so we're going to show or look today and see how one of the people that were in that program actually benefited from taking the advice that I shared. So let's take a look real quickly at Google. If we go to Google, and let's just say we do a Google search on dental practice growth. If we do a Google search on those terms, what we'll notice is that my client actually shows up number 2 organically. Now remember, these are things that they're doing that aren't costing them any money. Things that and basically I think it was like 4 weeks ago, less than 4 weeks ago, it was actually 3 weeks ago that they made the changes to their website, and you see that they're already showing up number 2 on Google for dental practice growth. Now if we actually put in their regional location and take a look at the search results, we'll find out that they are actually in positions 1 and 2. How cool! Would you like to learn how to create results like this? Well, let me take you on a tour of the back end to see exactly what this client did to help them get these type of rankings. And again, this is simple strategy. These are simple strategies, simple things that you can do that don't require a PhD or they're not rocket science. Things that you just have to be disciplined to do so that your website and your content can be more effectively indexed by Google and ranked higher. So let's take a look at the website. If we click on Jodina, we'll find that not only do we see dental practice growth and New England as the very first keywords in his title, he also is optimizing it, He's also optimizing his website for additional keywords such as dental practice management, Massachusetts, and New England, and so forth. Okay, yes, I can't say Massachusetts. Okay, I'm sorry for the state or to the people of the state of Massachusetts. But, okay, so let's continue. As we take a look at his website, a couple of things that you'll notice that he did. So his title tag, and let's prove it to you. Let's actually take a look at the source. His title tag, he actually in his code, he went to his web developer and said, hey, look, I need to make sure that my title tag has these keywords listed. And we see that he's done that there. But the other thing that we notice that he's done, not only is he using keywords in his title, he's also using keywords in the meta keywords section of his website. When you look at the HTML code of your website, make sure your web developer or web designer is fully leveraging your meta keywords, your meta description, and your title tag. The other thing that Mayor did is he not only used these keywords in his title, but remember and maybe you haven't heard me speak before, but one of the things I always teach is that using your keywords in your headers on your website are also powerful ways for Google to learn more about what your site is all about. And when it sees that, hey, dental practice management or dental practice are keywords that appear in bold or header text on this website, this website might just be about the dental practice. And also, dental practice management are the first words in the body of the paragraph on the home page. So again, not only is it in the title, but it's also in the header. It's the first set of words on the page. And you'll notice that throughout the page, where possible, clients should interweave the phrases, the keywords that they want to be known for, so that Google recognizes it and picks it up. Another thing that Mayor did is when you have a website that is not a WordPress website and you want to keep your content fresh every time Google comes to index it, one of the things that I told Mayor to do was to include blogs or his blog RSS into the structure of his existing static website. That way, every time his blog posts change and every time he updates new information to his blog, Google thinks his website has also changed, which tells Google, oh, this website is fresh. This website has new information. And when Google thinks that your website has fresh content, it favors your website and it will come by and visit it more often and index it more frequently. These are just some simple strategies that you can do to get better placement on Google. We haven't even touched upon the hundreds of techniques that I teach in my social media marketing programs as I travel all over the world helping consultants and speakers and dentists and professionals just like you build a powerful personal brand and their million-dollar brand. If you have questions, please visit me online. Visit me at LethiaOwens.com. I'd love to take your questions, and I'd love to help you build your million-dollar brand.